Hello yogis, welcome to the short flow for yoga before bedtime. So this you can even do from your bed and just go right off to sleep. So start in a comfortable seat. That can be on a chair, on your bed, cross-legged. And we'll just start with some gentle neck stretches. Just dip your chin down towards your chest. And send your breath to the back of your neck. And then roll your head over to the left, so your left ear is above your left shoulder. And you might feel a stretch on the right side of your neck here. If you want an even deeper stretch, you can walk out your right hand to the side. And then dip your chin down towards your chest and over to the right. And option to walk your left hand out to the side now. And dip your chin back down towards your chest. And just take slow half circles from side to side. And pause anywhere that feels especially tight and send some extra breath to those areas. And take your arms out wide into a T and cross right elbow over left. Wrap your forearms around and come into eagle arms. Maybe just the backs of your hands come together. Maybe your palms come together. And then lift up your elbows and send your breath to the backs of your shoulders, and maybe dip your chin down towards your chest here as well. And gently release, take your arms back out wide, and this time cross your left elbow over your right. Wrap your forearms around, either bring the backs of your hands together or your palms, and you can lift your elbows up and dip your chin back down towards your chest. And gently release your arms back out. Shake it out if you need to. And then bring the soles of your feet together. Coming into butterfly pose. And your feet don't have to be close to your body at all. They can be farther away. And then fold forward over your legs to come into a butterfly forward fold. And gently walk back upright. Bring your knees together and then come to lay on your back. And we'll be coming into legs up the wall. So if you have a wall nearby, you can go to that and do legs up the wall there. Otherwise, you can just do this wherever you are. Take your legs up in the air. Take as much of a bend in your knees as you need. And then maybe take your hands to your belly and come back to your breath, feeling your hands rise with your inhale and fall with your exhale. And when you're comfortable, you can close down the eyes. Inhale and exhale your knees down to your chest and rock side to side. Then grab your feet and come into happy baby. You can also just wrap your arms underneath your knees and do happy baby this way if that's more relaxing. And release your feet back down. Keep your feet flat on the mat. Take your left ankle over your right knee and stay here. Or lift up your right leg or reclined pigeon. And release that side. Cross your right ankle over your left knee and stay here with your left foot on the ground or lift your leg up and grab behind your left leg. And release back down. Bring the soles of your feet together. Come into reclined cobbler's pose and take your hands back to your belly. Inhale, feel your hands rise with your breath. And exhale, feel them fall gently back down. And from here, take your hands underneath your knees, gently lift your legs back up. Stretch out long into Shavasana. Stay in Shavasana as long as you would like, or transition into bed. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. I hope you have a peaceful rest of your evening.